Y'all see this hair full of layers? Oh, this is so cute to me. We have a wig from my first wig today. So if you're interested, please continue to watch. This thing on. Let me see, is this the middle part? Figure it out, guys. Very much is. All right, so let's make sure our part is even. So it is at the beginning, but we might just have to redo the whole part. All right, guys, so the main thing we want to focus on with this wig is the layers. So I love me some layers. So let's just get it on, and then we're gonna like wear it all back so you guys can see like the layers that's in it. But I have to get it on and curl it and all of that first. So let's get as much of it back as we can so we can work on the lace first, because it is a little bit big by my ear tabs, guys. I'm gonna have to cut some off. I'm gonna come from this angle and just cut that little part off like that. We just want to see our ear. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is like peel the cap back and go in with this even spray. The cap, the wig. Rub it in with my finger, not in, but distribute it evenly. Quick dry, because this dry really, really quick. And then we're going to take it and pull it back down. So before any of this get caught under here, let's make sure no hair is under here and the lace isn't buckling before it dries down. And let's straighten it up. It looks like a mad woman right now, but we're going to make it work. Take this hot comb and even that part out. To help with that, to make sure that it's straight, I'm going to take a wax stick. All right, there you have it. And some spray. That spray smells so good. And just make sure that that part is straight, honey, because, yeah. All right, now that we have that out the way, let's go ahead and work on melting the lace up front. So we're going to take that same spray and go ahead and put it directly on our lace. This lace is colored so good. I don't even think I'm going to have to put makeup on it. Y'all see that? Y'all know my first wig don't play. So they're beginner wigs. That's why they are called my first wig. Very beginner friendly wigs. I'm going to just put that part out right quick so it'll lay better. Like that. Very beginner friendly wigs, right? That anybody can install and put on. I love my first wig. I review for them almost every month, I want to say. And they just have great affordable wigs over there. They're dependable. They're good people. And they take care of me well, and they take care of you guys well. So that's why I love them so much. I never hear anybody complaining about them. A lot of times I review and you guys are coming back saying, well, their customer service wasn't well, or they didn't handle me like they handled you. My first wig always has great reviews. They have split and quad pay options. But if you don't want to pay for the whole thing up front, cool. Break it up. Split it up. Look how good that look. Y'all see that? Oh, and this texture is my favorite texture. It mimics African American hair so well. And then look at the color in here. You have like this 1B, and you have like this brown, and you have like brown highlights. So tea, honey, so tea. So of course, I'm gonna go in with the fan, and I'm just gonna dry it as much as I can. So what I'm about to do now is just take a band and tie this down and let it go ahead and melt. Tie it down for like 5 to 7 minutes, guys. And then we can work on the fun part, the layers, which my first wig made it so easy, guys. You don't have to cut them or anything. They're already in the wig. We're back. So let's take this band off. We should be good and dry. So that is the melt we have on the wig. I'm not going to put any product on my brush, but I'm just going to lightly brush because I see a little bit of white from the spray. All right, so let's work on what we came here for. Layers. So I do want a little bit of volume. This time I don't want it so flat like I usually wear it. So this is what we're going to look like towards the front, but the back is the magic, where the magic happens, as they say. From here on out, we're just going to curl. So glad they did most of the work for us. So basically, now that we have the front how I want it to look, the way you work on layering wigs is you curl it in layers, okay? So we're going to need our clip again, and we're going to start at the back. So let's start at the back. The drawstring is already pulled tight and tucked. So I'm going to take like the first layer out, like the long layer at the back. Just flat iron. And our layers are going to go towards the inside. I wish I could turn around and show you guys this. Maybe I can, like when I get more up. Even with this, like I can take like another layer out of this, because it's a little shorter, and flat iron it on its own. And you're going to go under with a little, like, not like you're curling it, but like you're curling it. This is a shorter piece, so I'll show you better over here. Just all right, so here we have our next layer. I'm just gonna same thing. So basically you just curl it in layers to give you layers. Okay, and the key to when I get to the top is I take this first little piece right here. Basically the same thing, guys. This is the front piece. I take it, and it's almost as if you're gonna curl it, but you're not. Just let the flat iron do its thing. Now sometimes I just take it all back like that and bring it back up. So you guys see how I have it all back there? Now watch this. Yeah, looks so natural. So let's try to see if we can, oh, child, let's see if we can do that same effect over here. See some little flyaways. All right, so that's simple, guys. Curl in layers, and you're in there. So let me show you guys the back. That's where the magic happens. So guys, that's this extremely beautiful unit. I absolutely love it, guys. So I will make sure I leave out the links, discount codes, and everything below the video. Thank you so much, My First Wig, for sponsoring this video, and I will see y'all in my next one.